Hi everyone, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I shared with you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Crochet pillow covers are a fantastic way to add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. There are numerous designs and patterns you can choose from depending on your skill level and style preferences. Decorating with crochet pillow covers is an excellent way to add texture, color, and personal touch to your home. Here are some tips on how to use crochet pillow covers effectively in your decor. Crochet pillow covers naturally add a textured look to any room. Pair them with different materials like velvet, silk, or linen to create a layered, eclectic vibe. This contrast in textures can make the crochet work stand out and add interest to your space. Since crochet pillow covers can be handmade, they offer a wonderful opportunity to customize your decor. Crochet pillow covers can transform the look and feel of your space, making it more personalized and cozy. Happy crocheting, my friends!